Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Jamaica's two-time World Championship bronze medalist in the women's 400-meter hurdles, Rochelle Clayton, has been forced to withdraw from the 2025 Tokyo World Athletics Championships after failing to recover from a lingering leg injury. Team manager Ian Forbes confirmed the setback to journalists on Wednesday, describing it as a major blow to Jamaica's medal prospects. Clayton, who won bronze medal at the Doha 2019 and Budapest 2023 World Championships, had been battling fitness concerns throughout the season and ultimately was unable to take her place in the starting lineup. It had been anticipated that alternate Sanique Walker would step in to replace Clayton, but Forbes explained that logistical challenges will prevent that adjustment from being made. The 31-year-old's absence leaves Jamaica without one of its most experienced hurdlers and denies Clayton the chance to contest a third World Championship medal in her signature event. Head coach of the Reggae Boys, Steve McLaren, believes that they accomplished their main objective as Jamaica made it 2 wins from as many outings, defeating arch-rivals Trinidad and Tobago 2-0 at the National Stadium on Tuesday. Bailey Kanamatri, in his second appearance for the country, put the Reggae Boys in front with his first international goal in the 36th minute. Midfielder Jonathan Russell continues his form for the Reggae Boys, netting Jamaica's second in minute 57.
The win is a great credit to the players because it's a young team, it's inexperienced. We've tried to put the squad together. We've had many injuries over the last 2 or 3 weeks leading up to the camp. 8 normal players who would play have been missing, and we had the likes of Isaac, King were the only ones who were there, from previous.
Meanwhile, head coach of Trinidad and Tobago, Dwight York, believes that the Twin Island Republic gave a good account of themselves.
It is what it is. We can't change the result at the moment, but certainly from a performance-wise, I'm very pleased with my players. We think that felt like it's been hard done from our side, but that's the nature of the game. Sometimes you don't really get what you put in, and it doesn't show that way for us.
Jamaica now lead Group B on 6 points, while Trinidad and Tobago are third on a point. In the other game in the group, Curacao took down Bermuda 3-2 at home. Curacao are second on 4 points, while Bermuda sit at the bottom of the table without a point. Jamaica again will be in action on October 10 away to Curacao. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.